This is my 2011 hardtail frame. It's a custom Grassroots cycles frame made by Cove Bikes USA. And I'm running all the D80 stuff, D80 seat posts, D80 stem, D80 bars, 3-inch rise, gravity cranks, Kinda small block 8 tires, Manitou Circus Expert, and it's 130 millimeter travel. And I have the D80 pedals, the new composite ones. They're super sick. Yeah, cool, killing it, America. Oh, I have, what else do I have? I have an Alien Nation back rim right now, which probably won't stay there for very long. And then I have a Mavic front rim. They're pretty sweet. Yeah, America.
Let me get a turkey sandwich, lettuce, tomato, fish. My name Mac Miller, who the fuck are you? Well, my crew too live, but I ain't Uncle Luke. And I ain't no hipster, girl, I can make your hipster. From Pittsburgh, smoke papers over Swiss shirt. Welcome to the Cambrellum Chronicles. Looking out my monocle, I'm dodging obstacles. I gamble like the Bellagio. You cockroach, I'm heroin, cause everything I talk is dope. Type to leave it clean and fucking shiny, word of mop and glow. Tryna get a mansion, ain't nobody here gon' find my room. Money gon' be green, I guarantee you that my side stay blue. So press play, I start from scratch and never use no template. The next day, these losers always going with what's trend day. My pen game is something these motherfuckers have never seen. All city